Good evening to everyone. So now I'm going to discuss to you the some of the parts of the M16 rifle. So first, this is the standard magazine of the M16. So this is consists of 20 rounds of live bullets, and then second, we have the 30 rounds clip. So this one. Then we're going to put again. Then this is what we call the flash suppressor of the M16 rifle. Then followed by the barrel. This is what we call the barrel, and then this is the front sight. Then this is the lower swivel, right? Yes. And then this is what we call the I forgot. Okay, let's continue. This is what we call the carrying handle, this one. Then this is the magazine release. This button is the what we call the magazine release, and this is the dust cover. If we're going to get the magazine, so if we're going to if we want to open the dust cover, we can easily open. So try to observe. See? Then this is what we call the trigger. This is the trigger. Then this is the pistol grip. Yes. And this is the butt. So inside of the butt, there is what we call a buffer and the spring. So if we combine the spring and the buffer, so it becomes one word. It is called buffer spring. Then this rear sight, I mean front sight, and this one is the rear sight. If you're going to combine these two, the front sight and the rear sight, this is what we call a Canadian ball sight. Canadian ball sight, right? Then this part here, this is what we call the trigger assembly. If we're going to open that inside, we could see the different parts inside of this what we call trigger assembly. Then are we going to open this one? Yes. So I will show you how to open or how to assemble and disassemble the M16 rifle. First, alright, here. If you could see these two buttons here, so we're going to press it down. See? Then you go to the other side, then you like this. This is here. This is what we call the lower receiver group. This one. This is what we call the lower receiver group, and this is the upper receiver group. Then if you're going to open this, we have this is what we call the wait for a while. This is what we call the charging handle. This one. This is the charging handle, and this is the what we call the bolt assembly. This is the assembly bolt. So this what we call the small pin here, as we could see, there's a small pin. This is what we call the pivot pin. Then yes, this is what we call the pivot pin. So this hole is what we called a bolt assembly. Then if we're going to open this here, we could see the firing pin. This is the firing pin of the M16 rifle, this one. Then we're going to turn back. So okay, see to it that okay, so we try to, yep, that's right. Then if you're going to return to the proper place, to the proper position, first you're going to put the this is what we call the charging handle. Then first the charging handle, you cannot so as we observe that there is what we call a small bolt here inside, so we're going to put this here. Yan. Then second, you're going to put the bolt assembly. Then if we going to arrange it like this, then we're going to press the two buttons. Perfect. This is the forward assist assembly. Ito yung tinatawag na forward assist assembly. So yung charging handle niya, pag hindi yan pumapasok agad, pwede nating itulak ito. Ayan, this is for the tactical movement. Ayan. So probably hindi lahat mga parts ng M16 yung na-discuss ko, but somehow mayroon kayong mga lessons na nakukuha. Yung M16 rifle, this is usually used by the armed forces of the Philippines, like for example the Philippine Army. So as I've said, it is usually by the armed forces of the Philippines, especially the Philippine Army as well as the Philippine Marines. So what can you say, friend?